What's up, YouTube? So I'm doing the rear shocks on my 2001 Dodge Ram 1500. Thought I would show you just what I'm doing. So just got the bottom removed here, and then I'm using some penetration oil, and then I have the vice grips to hold that socket in. But this is the tool I'm using, not the best. I mean, I only had the 21 millimeter for that size, and so just ratcheting these off, and yeah, this is definitely the original shocks. As you can see, I'm going to push up on this guy. I mean, it's still got a little bit of force on it, but if I push this all the way in, we'll see if it even comes back out. Yeah, that's useless. So I definitely need to replace these guys. So thought I'd just kind of show. Biggest thing for this guy up here, you're gonna need to remove the tire. It's definitely almost impossible to do it without removing this guy. So you're gonna need to remove that guy, and then this one's pretty easy. You just gotta come in from the side there. I already took the top bolt out, so that one's super easy. And then the bottom one, just hold it with vice grips, get that guy. Fairly simple job. So got one of the shocks out, and here's the new shock I'm gonna be putting in. So the shock did not want to come back up after I pushed it in, and I still have the new shock kind of compressed down with that band, so gonna be putting that one in. So got both of them out. Definitely the original shocks. This car is 20 years old with 180,000 miles on these shocks, so I'm shocked. Got the new shocks in, so as you can see, much better improvement. It was just so much better. So from what was there before, which is almost nothing, to gonna be able to hold this in. So it's a pretty simple job. Again, removing the tire, definitely gonna help. And then there's the other one over here. So here's the other one. This one's pretty easy. As you can see right there, just get in right through the top above the frame. Pretty simple job. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful.